here at point number one, visually, that we're getting buy signals based on everything that's happening down here. Point number two, you can see that the oscillators have started to cross. This trade is no longer valid. On the short side, you can kind of see when things start to fall over. I had to set these up for James in such a way that he would have zero doubt as to what he should do. This really boiled down to being able to pinpoint intraday turns as precisely as possible. Have ongoing confirmation that the trade is still okay to be in. Having visual assurances that the decision was correct. Having visual cues that the trade is ending, with the underlying theme that consistency was key. Working with James, I developed the following tools that have made my trading life a lot easier. There's the squeeze histogram rotation tool, monitors the squeeze histogram on 6 time frames. The trend rotation tool, which has faster terms, monitors it on 6 time frames. And there's the regular version and the standard deviation version. One you use for the indexes, one you use for stocks. The ability to import key moving averages from other time frames. Multiple confirmations here to get in. Heads up that this trend is ending. Let's get out of that. Oh, and now there's new entry signals to